Today, I would like to talk about depression and the relationship between depression and insomnia. When we say depression and insomnia, it's a certain illness that can not allow a person to fail or to stay in a sleep, especially during the bedtime. This illness it is very dangerous because at some time this illness can also lead to brain disorder or psychiatric problem. Therefore, I will describe the method or channel of treating such kind of illness. But before I move forward, I would like to briefly tell what is depression and insomnia and what are the causative agents of such ills. Therefore, I will identify the way or method or process of maintaining such kind of illness, especially when it is occur. Depression is a common mental health condition that causes a persistent feeling of sadness and change in how to think, sleep, and act. Therefore, there is different or several types of depression, but it is treatable, usually with a therapy, medication, or both as seeking medical help as soon as you have the symptom. Of course, even childs can affect with depression, both child and adult, women, men. There are some different or way of causing such kind of ills, such as follow: stressable, personality, loneliness, illness, too much of taking of alcohol or too much of taking of drugs, when especially when the toxicity is too much in the blood. Therefore, I will identify some certain way or process of maintaining such kind of ills, especially when this physical manifestation of this disease was physically appear in a man or in a patient. This process we call it as a sleep hygiene. One, you can improve your body clock, avoid taking too much drugs, relax your mind, improve your sleep environment, avoid use of caffeine, especially at night or during the bedtime. However, there are some way or causes of this insomnia. These insomnia are related to the poor sleeping habits. And this sleeping habit, it may likely cause what you call depression, anxiety, and therefore even lack of exercise can also cause this disease. Therefore, chronic illness also can also cause this disease. And there are some certain symptoms or disease which can also cause this disease. And this disease, as we mentioned earlier, will not allow you to fail or to stay in a sleep, especially during the time. Therefore, as we mentioned earlier, there is a different types of insomnia. There is a maintaining insomnia, chronic insomnia, mixed insomnia, onset insomnia. And this between insomnia and depression, it has more relationship because the depression and anxiety is caused as a result of insomnia. And this insomnia is actually caused as a result of certain illness in the body, even like a blood pressure, diabetes, cardiovascular problem, and there are some certain issue which cause these ills as we mentioned earlier. And therefore, in a hospital, at some time this disease can actually use or treated by what we call amitriptyline, carbamazepine, tegretol, lexaton. And all these medicines, as we mentioned, it has more signs and symptoms. It has more toxins in it. But as we promise to tell the process or method of treating such kind of disease by using herbal medicine, in our screen of our television, you can see the herbal, you can see how the turmeric it is, you can see how the chamomile it is. Then everybody know honey and milk. Only three medicine or herbal medicine we can show it on top of our screen, like black seed, turmeric, and chamomile. The remaining 2, honey, milk, you can get it by yourself. So no need to put it on top of our screen. Everybody know what is honey and milk. This black seed, turmeric, and chamomile, you can get it and make it into the powder. And put at least 1 teaspoon of this herbal medicine, then add honey and milk. Mix it together and dilute it. Immediately after you dilute it, then you can get at least 1/2 of cup of water, then and add the herbal powder medicine inside the water, add honey and milk. Then you can take it at least morning immediately after breakfast, and you can take it at the night before the bedtime. As we explain this medicine, if you do it as we explain appropriately, by God's grace, you can see the impact or good outcomes of this our herbal medicine. And we hope that within 2 weeks, you become a healthy, and all your depression or insomnia cases will be disposed by God's grace. You can heal by God's grace. For those who follow our channel, please you can subscribe, share, and comment for the benefit of the people all over the world. Thank you, thank you, thank you.